Welcome back to Pree Dis. You know it's all about entertainment, lifestyle, Pree Dis style. Now it's time for some Caribbean video. Alright, now we're gonna check out Rizon with a brand new track called Preserve. Now the video turn up. You don't know it's all about Caribbean style. And big up to all the folks repping over there in Trinidad and Tobago. So Rizon, we're gonna come check out the Caribbean Pree Dis video of the week.
Lifestyle only seen on TV screens. Oh yes, I take it personal, let's see what we become. Instead of pushing abstinence, we pushing the condom to the hands of the youth, while our leaders stay mute. But sex belongs in marriage, anything else is not the truth. Period. Some people vex it because I just stop playing, but this time, Jade, I really don't care. Cause more importantly, your eyes are upon you. Those with ears, let them hear. Young girl, preserve.
Your body is a temple.
Young girl, preserve.
To make nobody rob you.
Young girl, preserve.
Your purity is precious.
Young girl, preserve.
You can make it, you should.
Preserve your body, preserve your mind. Save it for the one you'll find in turn. Love you for you, and love God too. And respect the covenant of marriage under Christ, cause that's how God designed it. Just for your protection, waiting you will find it. Don't run no man affection. Far too many teens live with HIV infection. Babies having babies, can't vote in our election. Your virginity is not a song to be sung by some pervert with a microphone that's son of a gun. Were they born of a woman or a bottle or rum? I have to wonder. They dress in sheep's clothing, but this world's undercover. Some people vex it because I just start playing, but this time, Jade, I really don't care. Cause more importantly, your eyes are upon you. Those with ears, let them hear. Young girl, preserve.
Your body is a temple.
Young girl, preserve.
Right now, the Pree Dis Spotlight event of the week is all about intuition, soca, dancehall, fusion, October the 27th. You know, all the things set, we have Tommy Lee on the bill. I don't know Tommy Lee represent for Moby. We have Octane, Idonia, Conscience, big up the whole team right now. And the soca artists such as Machel Montana, Destra, one of the artists in the world right now, and one of my favorite soca artists. So right now, let's check in with Destra because she have a brand new interview with the whole team right now. Talk to me. Let's find out what Destra is all about right now. Jamaica, she there now. Let's go check it out. Pree Dis.
Everybody take a jump, take a jump, take a jump up now. Start to wave, start to wave, start to wave up now. Start to whine, start to whine, start to whine up now because it's carnival. Yo, it's your girl Destra. You don't know? Here I am.
Living in my heart. All I do is think of you. Hate to be apart. You give me that real good love. Told you from the start. Ain't nobody for me but you. Boy, you got my heart. You give me that real good love.
Being in Jamaica is always great. I love my fans here. People here love Destra, so you know, it's always like, you know, a real big experience for me to be with people that I love, no matter what country, but Jamaica is among the list of about, I don't think I could even count it on one hand, because it's so little bit of people that I love. And I'm not going to say who else, but Jamaica is definitely on that list. It's great to be back. I feel like I'm in my second home. Awesome, I'm happy. Performing at Intuition, where they're gonna be biggest superstars in soca and dancehall on at the same venue, different stages. That is amazing. That is awesome. It's gonna be Carnival in October, so I can't wait.
Intrinsic Promotions presents Intuition.
The exclusive soca and dancehall stage show. Soca Junkies performing live. Machel Montano, Destra, Little Rick, Patrice Roberts, and many more.
Dancehall fans, there's gonna be I-Octane, Lady Saw, Tommy Lee, Idonia, Conscience, and more.
It's one event, one night, two separate stages.
Running at the same time.
Saturday, October the 27th at the UDC Catherine Hall, Montego Bay. Get your tickets at all Paymaster locations island-wide. Sponsored by Ryu Hotel.
Hype TV, Food Express. Even drink responsibly. See press for details.
And you already know what to expect. Destra is a ball of energy. Crazy hype on stage. Well, off stage too sometimes, but on stage, crazy hype. Look out for what I'm going to be wearing. Look out for who I'm going to be bringing, who's going to be performing with me. Look out for just, you know, come and have a great time. I never disappoint, and that is one thing I could say and be totally sure about. I never disappoint, and every performance is absolutely different. So you think you know what you're going to expect, but you don't. It's going to be awesome.
There's no time for the third and final break. We'll soon come back.